Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to be covering Final Cut Pro, the professional video editing program for a Mac. And I must stress, this program is only available for a Mac, and it's a really good program. It's different from Adobe Premiere in that it's a one-time lifetime purchase you can get from the Apple Store. And Premiere Pro, which I've covered in another lesson, is available for Windows and for Mac. So in this video, you're going to get an idea of how you can improve the production value of a video created in Synthesia, but in Final Cut. So if we actually go to our video here, we've just created a quick project, and I brought in this video that was created in Synthesia, but we have the option, because we are now in the video editing program, to it. We can apply effects. So you can see here I have a comic book effect. I'm not going to go into a step-by-step in Final Cut Pro because this is not a Final Cut Pro course. I do have Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro course if you're interested in learning this program in depth. But this is one of the additional things you can do. You can apply effects. You can actually color grade it. So if we take our video here, we can adjust the color. And these types of options are just not available in Synthesia. It's very basic what you can do there. So in this Final Cut Pro video, we have different layers. We can add a title. And if you have a subscription to a stock footage library like Storyblocks or Artlist or Shutterstock, you can layer on B-roll just like I have here on top of your Synthesia video, depending on what the topic is. For example, if this was a cryptocurrency update, I could start off the video like this, and then it cuts to the Synthesia talking head video. So it just looks more professional, and you can add on your own title here. Just say update, and then you can spend more time on that with different styles. And you can see on the bottom layer here, I've got a music track. So you have the option to adjust the volume of the music, which I haven't seen in Synthesia when this course was produced at the beginning of 2023, but that may change. So you have the option to put lower thirds titles in Final Cut, which is useful for your viewer. Yeah, these types of things are important to add professionalism to the overall video. You can even fade out, do transitions. So if I apply this over there, you can see at the end of the video it fades out. I can do a call to action like subscribe, which you just can't do in Synthesia. So after you've done all this in Final Cut Pro, you have the option to export the video. You can choose different formats. So Final Cut Pro produces a .mov file, which is a little bit different than MP4, but you can publish to most platforms on either MP4 or MOV. Over here is YouTube, so you can upload your finished video over here. And this is what it would look like. You would give it a title. You can fill in the description, a thumbnail, some tags. And if you're a YouTube partner, you can actually monetize on your Synthesia videos. So I think this is more of a realistic scenario if you were using Synthesia to do investment market updates. You would definitely want to have a video editing program to do these additional things on top of the video that you generated. So hopefully this was helpful to you to see additional possibilities to improve the production value of your Synthesia AI video in Final Cut Pro.